Good morning YouTube fam, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you guys are good. So in today's vlog I'm basically doing a spend the day with me, simply because I've got a lot of things to do, but I'm going to be home. So I'm going to be doing litter washing. I think I've got like 2 loads. I want to make breakfast, I need to do my schoolwork, I need to clean, like there's just a lot going on. But anyways, so that's that. And then I think I'm going to be in classes today the whole day, like my eye is just not coming to the party. So that is basically me giving you guys what to expect in today's vlog. And then I do genuinely hope you guys are gonna enjoy watching. Please don't forget to do the regular if you haven't, which is liking and subscribing to my channel for more content. Like, oh, when you clean you're gonna shift everything. So I'm actually outside doing my schoolwork, and then later on we're gonna go so that I can cook. So guys, and then yeah, it's a lot. Like I didn't like, but out of all my modules for the semester, I think I've got like 4 exams, and then I've got like 2 portfolios, and then the rest get the assignment. So basically the assignment is basically my life here. But anyways, I actually want to go buy things that I need to cook. So it's like 7 colors. Like I want to cook yellow rice, I don't know what else, chicken stew. So yeah. Conversation
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Something I used to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when lose within. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on because I realize I've got myself. Controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would be it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with the 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me home. Pick up your phone. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know, even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong because I realize I've got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Me, myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see there's something out again. Hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I'm crying. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. You hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see there's something out again. Myself, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Me, myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Me, myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing